Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify schema data errors. So, schema markup is critical for improving a Shopify's store's SEO and enabling rich search results like product ratings, prices, and availability. However, errors in your schema data can impact your SEO performance. This guide will help you identify and fix the schema data issues on Shopify. So, step 1 is identifying the schema data errors. So, you can use Google Search Console. Log into your Google Search Console account, navigate to Enhancement section, then check for issues under categories like products, breadcrumbs, or review snippets. Then test individual URLs. So go to Rich Results Test, then paste the URL of your product or collection page and review the errors or warnings flagged in the schema markup. Tools like schema.org validator or Screaming Frog can analyze your structured data for errors. Now, common schema data issues and fixes include missing or incorrect required fields. So some examples are missing price, availability, or rating fields in your product schema. To fix this, ensure that your product details like price, inventory, and reviews are filled out in the Shopify admin. Navigate to Products, navigate to Edit Product, and complete all the fields on this page. You can use apps like JSON-LD for SEO to auto-generate complete schema data. Now, second way is duplicate or conflicting schema. So multiple conflicts schema entries, for example, theme-generated schema or app-generated schema, could also create problems. To fix this, you can check your theme.liquid file and product templates like product.liquid or product.json and remove duplicates or redundant schema tags. Now, keep only one source of a schema, preferably from your own theme or app. Now, some problems also include invalid item type or properties. Example, using offers incorrectly or assigning the wrong type. You can fix this by verifying the schema type for each page like product, article, or breadcrumb list. Follow the guidelines on schema.org to ensure correct syntax. So, images or URLs are not included in the schema could also be a problem. To fix this, ensure that all product listings include high quality images and proper URLs. You can add an image field in the JSON-LD schema in your theme files. Step 3 is updating your Shopify theme. Go to Online Store, navigate to Theme, navigate to Edit Code option by clicking on this icon and click on Edit Code. Now, here you can locate files like theme.liquid, product-template.liquid, or product.json and add correct JSON-LD schema markup. You can search for it on Google and add it just right here. You can also use Shopify's schema apps like Smart SEO, JSON-LD for SEO, or Schema Plus for SEO. These apps automate schema implementation and help avoid manual errors. Now, step 4 is validating the schema data fixes. You can retest URLs by using the Rich Results Test tool again after making changes and ensuring that all errors and warnings are resolved. You can go to Google Search Console, then navigate to URL, navigate to Inspection tool, and submit the fixed URLs for recrawling. And after doing this, fixing Shopify's schema data ensures better search visibility and enables rich results for your store. By identifying and resolving errors systematically, you will improve your store's SEO performance and user experience. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.